Welcome to video 12.6b. Find the volume of a rectangular prism with a cutout or a bird bath. Here's example 2 from your notes. Find the volume of the solid shown. Again, I like to relate these objects to things in real life just to get a connection and see if I can understand it better. Alright, so I also have a little demonstration here. You can think of this as the rectangular prism, and this is the hemispherical cutout, and this would be the bird bath. Alright, so what I'm going to do is find the volume of the whole prism and subtract away the volume of that hemisphere. So I'll start with what I'm doing. So volume of rectangular prism minus the volume of the hemisphere. Then I'll write down the formulas, get the numbers, and plug out the numbers. So for a rectangular prism, you could go the area of the base times the height, or you could just go length times width times height. So I'll just go length times width times height. Minus the volume of a hemisphere, that's going to be 1/2 of a sphere. So 1/2 of 4/3 pi r cubed. All right, so let's put in the numbers. Length, width, height, 12, 12, 4. Minus 1/2 of 4/3 times pi times 3 cubed. I'm going to write it as 3 times 3 times 3. It'll just make it easier for me to cancel. And I do like to have a top and a bottom to the fractions as well. All right, so for canceling, I can cancel one of these 3's with one of those 3's, that 2 with that 2, and that'll simplify my calculations. Over here, I've got 12 times 12 is 144, and 144 times 4. I could do 150 times 4. That would get me to 600, take away 24, 576. Minus 9 times 2 is 18 pi. And again, leave your answers in exact simplified form. So there you have it, how to find the volume of a rectangular prism with a cutout or a bird bath.